Hello and welcome to Mailtrap Videos, where we explore the world of emails. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to perform JavaScript contact form validation. To learn about creating an email contact form in JavaScript and adding reCAPTCHA for security, check out our previous video about JavaScript contact forms. It sets the stage perfectly for today's focus on validation. Now, let's see how we can add validations to our form with some custom logic. The default validation works in the following way. The user tries submitting the form. The required attribute picks up that the required form fields are empty. An error message is displayed. We can modify this behavior by adding a submit listener, which is triggered when the form is submitted. Now, this listener will try to validate the form, and if the content is invalid, it will show the error message. Additionally, we need to remove the default required attributes. Alright, now we can implement the custom logic with functions that validate the email format and the phone number format. The email validation function will check if the email input matches a standard email format using a regular expression. Similarly, the phone number validation function will ensure that the phone number input meets a specific format, also using a regular expression. The last piece of our custom validation is handling the display of error messages. We create a function called displayError that takes an error message and displays it in our form's error message block. Now, let's see all of this in action. We submit the form, and we get our error message. Remember, client-side validations are useful, but this does not always guarantee that the server will receive valid data. So make sure to always verify any client input on the server side. And for better validations, look into well-established solutions, for example, one like Yup. This wraps up our guide on validating a JavaScript contact form. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email entry structure in one place. Like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications to see more tutorials like this one, and I will see you in the next one.